Good morning, y'all. Today is Stitch Fix Day. Super excited. Got my Stitch Fix. This time they didn't send me a preview. So I had to do the old trick of once it's shipped, pretend I'm checking out so I could see what was coming. There's Miss Maisie. You know, she's funny. She's not a big like cuddler like on you like my doodles are, but she always wants to be nearby. I'm hoping that'll translate someday into more cuddles because she's so stinking cute. You just can't help but cuddle her. Okay, so Stitch Fix. Just in case you are new to my channel, my name's Melissa, and just in case you are new to Stitch Fix, let me tell you about it. So with Stitch Fix, you usually work one-on-one with a stylist, although I've been getting a lot of different stylists here lately, so probably the holidays, that kind of thing. They're just busy or short-staffed, I don't know. But anyway, normally my stylist was Leslie, and I can't even tell you how many 5 out of 5s I kept with Leslie. But here lately, hadn't been Leslie, and I've either kept nothing or maybe I've kept one thing, so we'll see what this has to bring. So you get 5 pieces. They give you all kinds of options for personalizing, like there's a thumbs up, thumbs down game you can play. You can do an inspiration board. They had been sending previews where you can choose which pieces you want to come. I didn't get that this month, so I don't know if they've decided not to do that anymore or if this was just, I just didn't get it this month. I don't know. So anyway, all right, so that's it. If you keep all 5, you get 25% off. It's a $20 styling fee. Whatever you purchase, that $20 goes towards it. Free shipping both ways, so that's cool. All right, here is my invoice. It's a moderately priced box. I've had pricier and I've had better. And then they also send you styling cards to show you, give you kind of suggestions, you know, of how to style it. So let's see who my stylist is. Oh, it's Leslie. Yay. She starts out saying, I'm sorry to see that you've been disappointed with your last couple of fixes, but I'm hopeful that the pieces I picked for you this time around will get your styling journey back on track. Yay, 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 yay. Okay, all right, Leslie is back. I have high hopes. Let's see. When I looked at the preview, you know, not the preview, but when I looked after that it had shipped, it just feels like it was crooked or something. Hold on, I've been struggling with my tripod a little bit lately, y'all. You know, when I clicked on the thing to see what was coming, I'll be honest, I wasn't over the moon excited, but that doesn't matter because sometimes you see it in pictures and then when you try it on, you just fall in love with it. So it's falling apart. Look, let me show you. And I don't blame this on Stitch Fix. Our post office is struggling right now. I don't know what's happening, but we didn't get mail one day. And then the next day when this came, instead of bringing it to the door like they normally do, they dropped it on the road. Luckily, Scott was out there and he saw it, and so he ran and got it because, I mean, when I say on the road, like our mailbox is on the road, so it could have easily gotten run over by a car. I don't think anybody would have seen it. But anyway, it looks like it's been through it. So let me just see if I can, hang on. Oh my gosh. Well, look. It's like stuff has fallen. Let me just get it out. Hold on. Good grief. It's thick. That's the other thing. It looks like stuff is just falling out. Oh, okay. A couple of sweaters look like they scooted out. Here's my return mailer. Okay, let's get in here. All right, well, here's my bundle, sort of. I like the colors. And then here's a couple sweaters that look like this thing is really, let's just open it up. Now I created a bundle. Here we go. There's my bundle. All right, let's see what I got here. All right, this first piece is by 41 Hawthorne. It's one of those mixed medias. It's got the stretchy knit on the back, the polyester on the front. It's long sleeved, little floral print. I think it's very pretty. It has a little keyhole right there. That's really pretty. Yeah, there's the sleeves. I like the color combination there. That's a possibility. Let's see. Of course, I've got so many things that look like this. 41 Hawthorne black for $46. That's not a bad price. This jacket feels fantastic, first of all. This is by Liverpool. It is a Tema denim jacket in burnt orange for $88. Where are you going, Missy? See, she's just had enough. I'm gonna get down. You wanna get down? She has enough and then she just has to get down. All right, so this feels really good. And if it's Liverpool, it's gonna fit amazing. But this color is gorgeous. I just don't need any more denim jackets. I don't need any more jackets, period, honestly, unless something is just so over the moon cute that I can't resist. But I've got cardigans in this color. I've got pullover sweaters in this color. I've got a kind of a shacket sort of corduroy in this color. And then I've got a denim jacket that's not this color, but it's similar, that I got from Stitch Fix. So it's very pretty. I mean, I may try it on and be like, oh, never mind, forget everything I said, I'm keeping it. So that's really pretty. All right, and these Democracy jeans, they're Catherine boot cut distressed for $78. But y'all, I have these jeans. They're not distressed, but I have these exact jeans. So I'm anxious to see what they mean by distressed. Oh, that. So that's the only distressing on them. So honestly, these look exactly like what I already have. So those will probably be a no, but I will try them on because you never know. But, oh, she decided to come back. But yeah, they look exactly like the ones I kept last year from Stitch Fix. This sweater, the color is really pretty, but I have a feeling it's got some acrylic in it. It's by Pink Clover. And it's $50. I just want to check the fabric real quick and then I'll show it to y'all. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's 45% acrylic and then polyester, nylon, spandex. I can't do acrylic, usually. But it has a small amount, but this is really cute, y'all. This is really cute. But acrylic, first of all, causes a lot of static. But for me, it's itchy. It's just itchy. So I'll try it on, but probably not gonna be my favorite thing in the box. All right, I love this color. Look at this color, y'all, and oh my gosh, this is soft. This is the one thing that I was super excited about when I looked at the things they were sending. It's a cowl neck. It's in teal green. It's by Fortune and Ivy, and it's only $40. But it looks really short. It looks really short. I don't know, we'll see, but I think this color is gorgeous, and this is so soft. What is this fabric? Because it is super soft. Hold on, y'all. Into the fabrics right now. 73% rayon, there you go. Polyester and spandex. I figured it had rayon in it because it is super, super soft. All right, I'm gonna go put the jeans on, and then I'll just try all the tops on. That should be a pretty easy try on, and who knows, maybe I'll find something I love. Leslie, good picks, good picks. I'm not gonna say it's your best box, girl, but good picks. She's probably dealing with limited inventory. It's a problem this time of year, I think. All right, here we go. Okay, I have on this first sweater that has the acrylic in it. And I'm gonna tell you, sometimes acrylic blends don't bother me and sometimes they do. This one is not bothering me. Not yet. I have to wait sometimes and then it kicks in. That was just the tag, y'all. But y'all, this is really pretty. I like the, whoops, that little thing's out. I like the white accents on it. It's very pretty. It's starting to itch, y'all, I tell you. These jeans are identical to the ones I already have, except they're a little bit more, the wash is a little different. This looks really good with my boots I got from JB Style this year. I love these boots. But yeah, this is really pretty. If acrylic does not bother you, it's very soft. It's a good price, and I think it's very, very cute. So this would have been a good pick, but not the fabric. Okay, we're just gonna keep going. All right, here is the top. It's very pretty. I really don't have any complaints about it. It's super pretty. I think it's a nice little, I like the little detail right there. I like the color combination, I like the floral. It's just that I have quite a few things that look like this, and so I'm trying to get a little bit more diversified in my wardrobe. So I probably need to update some of my style picks on Stitch Fix. I probably need to go in there and start pinning some new things because she's sending me things that I've typically kept in the past. But you know, your closet can get full of one look and you realize, and when I did that big closet clean out recently, I realized I had a lot of things that looked a certain way. And so, yeah, this will be a no just for that. But other than that, it's really cute, y'all. It's really, really cute. I like the color combination and I like the fit. It's really cute. I'm gonna try it on with this jacket. Liverpool jackets always feel amazing. Wow, I like this color. Yeah, this is really pretty. I know I went on and on in the opening about I don't need another jacket, and I don't. But wow, that's a nice fit. Fabric is fantastic, but I really don't need it, y'all. I really need to start getting things different. But this is the only thing so far that's really tempting me. Because I love the jeans, hence the reason I have a pair just like them in my closet. But yeah, this is really pretty, y'all. Really, really pretty. This is by Liverpool, $88 I think was the price. All right, I think we have that one sweater that in the preview of things that I saw, that was the thing that was really kind of calling my name. But when I pulled it out, it looked kind of short. So we're gonna see. Okay, y'all, this color is really, I love this color. Absolutely love this color. The fabric is fantastic. It is so soft, so cozy. It's a little clingy and it's a little short. So if it were longer, I would know that I was keeping this. The fact that it's a little short is making me hesitate just a little, and it's very clingy. You know what I mean? It's super clingy, which y'all know that makes me super uncomfortable. Now I do like it with this, hold on. I'm really liking the look this year of the layered flannel shirt, you know, like with a graphic tee, you know, and that kind of thing. But I also think it looks really good with cowl neck, turtleneck. And this one I just picked up recently. I think I got this at, where did I get this? Maurice's. And it really does look nice. And then it kind of helps with the clingy and the shortness. So that is good. And then I've also got a really cute jacket that I got from Fashion that I think it would be cute with. Hold on, let me try it with that. Hold on. You know, it's actually not the same color blues, but I think, because this is more of a teal and this is more of a true blue in this jacket, but I think it still goes. That's cute. Look at that with the boots, and yeah, this is really cute. Okay, so I will say that of the whole box, this is the one thing that's really a possibility. But I'm gonna have to try it on with some different jeans, different things, decide, will I pull for it because it is short? Will I wear it? Or will it be one of those things that I think is really pretty, but I never pull for because I'm a little uncomfortable in it? That's what I'm learning, guys. You gotta love it, love it, love it, or you won't wear it, period. So I love the color, love the cowl neck, love the fabric, not sure about the fit. And honestly, that's one of the most important things to me, to most women, I think. Okay, well, Leslie made some really good picks. This is certainly not a 5 out of 5, but if I decide to keep anything, it probably will be this. But y'all let me know what y'all liked, what you thought looked good. Y'all know my closet. Y'all see, you know, you've been with me for so long. Y'all know the things I keep. So y'all tell me if something stood out that you think, Melissa, you need to add that to your closet. All right, guys, I hope y'all just have a wonderful, blessed day today. Y'all stay safe and stay well, and I'll see you next time. I'm out.